Hello everyone, welcome back to TopPick Reviews, the best place to find quality product references. This time, we will dissect 15 essential woodworking equipment for building construction projects and home renovations to make the work results more sturdy and precise. Check out the complete list to increase your work efficiency in the field below. Say goodbye to tangled cords with the Dremel 8250, the most powerful cordless rotary tool with a brushless motor for 20% more power. It's perfect for cutting, sanding, and engraving with precision speeds up to 30,000 RPM. Its 12-volt 3Ah battery lasts twice as long as its predecessor. Pro-grade power in a compact cordless form. Tidying up doors or wood panels is much easier with the Yawmoft Cordless Planer. This planer has a speed of 12,000 RPM that is capable of devouring even hardwood with smooth results. It weighs only 6.2 pounds and features a dual-direction dust port. The depth can be adjusted up to 2 millimeters for maximum precision without a cable getting in the way. Effortless woodworking anywhere you go. This tool is a lifesaver for your furniture projects because it doubles as a nail gun and staple gun. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it can shoot 18-gauge nails up to 2 inches in size without the need for an air compressor. Features 2 firing modes and adjustable depth for safe fastening. Includes 1,000 nails and staples to get to work right away. No hose, no hassle, just pure performance. Get perfect wood edge finishing results with the Flex 24V trim router. Its brushless motor equivalent to 1.5 HP is very efficient and powerful for the toughest applications. Includes a quick release collar for depth adjustments as fine as 1/64 inch. The speed can be adjusted from 16,000 to 31,000 RPM according to your material needs. The ultimate control for master craftsmen. This sander from Bosch has a turbo mode that can smooth wood 5 times faster than a regular orbital sander. This 7.5 amp machine has 2 modes, namely random orbit for smooth results and eccentric orbit for aggressive material removal. The multi-hole pad system fits a wide variety of sanding discs, very comfortable to hold for large projects such as floors or furniture. Finish faster with professional smoothness. Copying odd angles is very easy with the Cordless Contour Gauge. This package is unique because it can be connected up to 15 inches long to measure larger objects. Perfect for tiling, flooring, and DIY home improvements. Equipped with a lock so that the copied profile does not shift when you cut the material. The smartest way to measure odd shapes. This view-reel right-angle ruler is not just an ordinary measuring tool because it has a 3D multi-angle feature to mark 2 sides of wood at once. Made of sturdy aluminum alloy with a laser scale that's very clear to read. Includes preset angles from 15 degrees to 90 degrees with an anti-lost pin. Very helpful for making accurate wood joints and guided cutting. A versatile must-have for every tool belt. Find the angle of the roof or fence without guessing with the Proster Digital Angle Finder. This 16-inch tool has an LCD screen that immediately shows the exact angle with a high accuracy of 0.5 degrees. Made of durable aluminum with a built-in spirit level, there is a hold function to lock the numbers so they don't get lost when you take notes. Precision measurement made incredibly simple. This tiny tool from Milescraft is the quickest solution for finding the center point on your wood board. Simply insert a pencil into the center hole and slide to create a precise line instantly. It also works as an offset marker from 1/16 to 5/8 inch. There's a built-in magnet for easy attachment to metal surfaces, so it won't get lost quickly. Small tool, huge time saver for woodworkers. Create professional wood joints with the Kreg Rebel, the first cordless pocket hole drill that makes drilling much faster without the need for additional clamps. The one-motion drilling design ensures consistent depth and strong joints. Powered by a 20V battery, you can work anywhere without the constraints of a power cord. The gold standard for modern wood joinery. Working with CNC machines or routers is safer with X-Fasten woodworking tape. This double-sided tape is specially designed by professionals to have strong adhesion but remains easy to remove without damaging the wood grain. It's residue-free and won't chip your wood surfaces, ideal for attaching patterns, templates, or holding MDF boards during the cutting process. Strong hold for professional results without the mess. Making boxes, drawers, or photo frames much more precise with Wolf Pond Corner Clamp. This tool is made of high-quality aluminum with CNC processing to ensure perfect 90-degree right angles. Includes 4 sets of positioning squares and clamps with laser scales. The surface has been anodized red for long-term rust and corrosion resistance. Achieve perfect 90-degree alignment in every assembly. Don't let small scratches ruin your luxury furniture. This Oriflame repair kit is a complete solution with 12 filler colors and 8 markers that can be mixed to match 95% of wood colors on the market. Instantly fixes scratches, cracks, and holes in hardwood floors or laminate floors. Very easy to use even for beginners to make old furniture look new again. Seamless, invisible repairs at your fingertips. For workshop cabinet, RV, or truck projects, these Vevor heavy-duty slides are the champions with a load capacity of up to 226 kilograms or 500 pounds. These tracks are equipped with a double lock system to prevent drawers from sliding open on bumpy roads. Made of thick, cold-rolled steel with a full extension design, the movement is very smooth thanks to precision steel ball bearings. Industrial strength for your most demanding storage projects. Save your money by extending the life of your sandpaper with the PowerTech Cleaning Stick. This natural rubber eraser can remove wood dust, glue, and residue stuck to sandpaper in just seconds. Simply hold it against a running sanding belt or disc to clear the grit. This simple tool makes your old sandpaper feel sharp and like new again, the ultimate life extender for your sanding accessories. That's our list of the best product recommendations. Don't forget to click like if this video is useful and subscribe to the TopPick Reviews channel so you don't miss other interesting updates. See you in the next video.